I get that.
She better go to jail.
On December 20th, authorities in Wheelersburg, Ohio, arrested a daycare employee following an investigation into allegations that a young child was endangered while in her care. The investigation began after the child's mother reported that the child came home with facial injuries and said the incident was recorded on the daycare's surveillance cameras.
I told you, we will take care of this, okay, Sean? No, bro, this is not okay. That's a little baby.
Okay, so what's going on?
I understand. I'm going to show them the video and let them see and let them decide what they need to do. I can't do this. I'm trying not to beat her ass, bro. She hit my baby.
So what's going on?
That stupid in there slammed my mother kid down, bro.
Okay, so you're saying she slammed your baby, right?
My baby is bleeding. She slammed my baby so hard.
Okay, and copy. Okay, so once you found out that your baby's been abused, well, then what happened?
I went to go beat her ass.
Okay, did you?
No, I did not touch that stupid.
I'm just asking.
Oh, bro, I'm mad. She hit my baby for months, probably, bro.
I get that, and that's why we're here, okay? That's why we're here.
And now his dad's coming saying I'm gonna take him because saying it's my fault. I didn't even do nothing. But I had a feeling that she did something because they were both lying. I feel like the worst mom ever.
Well, it's not.
Just let me beat her ass. Let me get it over with. Because I'll beat the brakes off that stupid laughing.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Is that a threat? I haven't done it. How was I supposed to react? She was hurting my baby. My baby's fucking you, bro.
I get that.
She better go to jail.
Absolutely, and we're watching the video, and we'll deal with it accordingly. Absolutely. Okay.
I'm trying to stay self-control so I don't go to jail, but I think it might be worth going to jail.
No, it is not. Okay. You cannot be a mother of your child in jail. Okay.
But why was she hurt someone's baby?
And that's why we're here. Okay. If something has happened,
Stop
right?
being so camera when you watch it. It's gut-wrenching.
He's in there watching it. Okay. He's in there watching it. Yep, you're all good. So what vehicle are you in?
Right there.
Okay, you're in the Kia.
Yeah.
Property or anything.
So has this been going on?
I don't know.
Okay, is this the first time that you've ever?
I've seen abuse, yeah.
Okay. Did they have you watch the video?
Yeah, and I ran right to her to go beat her ass. But I didn't touch her. The teacher already knew. Teacher watched it with me. She took her running before me, running after me. As any parent would react to their child being abused.
Absolutely. Absolutely. But you never actually...
No, I never touched her.
Okay.
We were even close to each other. She took off running, laughing, because she knew she hit my child. How are you going to sit? And I sat there 5 minutes before. I literally said, you're a good daycare provider.
Okay, just give us 1 second, okay? Oh, come.
Ma'am, where is your vehicle at?
Right there.
Right there? Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. While we conduct something really quick, you mind if I have you just go over there?
Well, my kids are inside. I'm not going to touch her. I'm not going to touch her. I'm chill. I'm
Okay.
reacting because
Yeah.
how long has she been hitting my child?
Right. No, I completely understand.
Like,
Trust me.
I'm trying to stay chill because I don't want to go to jail. But any parent's going to go in there and beat her ass.
No,
And
I'm not disagreeing with you, ma'am. What's your name?
Shauna.
Shauna. I'm not disagreeing with you, Shauna. Okay.
I'm just gut-wrenched because it's like that innocent little baby, bro.
I understand. Now, when we do our part, I just ask that you don't say anything, okay? Because remember, everything's on body cam. I'm not trying to get you in trouble. You're just trying to be a protective mother, and I get that, okay?
I mean, I got a video.
Yeah, I just watched the video, so I'm going to explain it to my partner here in just a second, okay?
I just said I was going to beat her ass, but I mean, anyone is allowed to say that.
Huh?
I just said I was going to beat her ass, but I did not touch her. I was like over here, she was way over there.
I get that. Well, we'll just have you stand off to the side. I'm going to bring in my partner real quick, and then we'll go from there, okay?
Let's go inside because it's cold.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just have them spread out.
I'm going to make sure it's okay with the daycare real quick.
I'm not going to touch her. My kids are in there. I would never do that in front of my kids. I'm not cheating about my kids.
I'm going to show you this. Yep. So,
Was it bad?
yeah. RP's child is right here on top of the chair. This is the worker that's in the kitchen right now.
Okay. I think we need to call Jody.
I mean, we're at least going to detain her in the car, 100%. I put my body camera up to it, but you see her walk over there. She jumps over the thing.
3973.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's she at?
I can't even
Where's she at?
face, bro. Look at my baby's face.
How are you?
18.
My name's Deputy Johnson. It's my partner, Deputy One. Okay. Kind of tell us what was going on.
He was up on a chair, and I went to get him, and when I took him in the cot, I
Is
got...
this the outside, by the way? I'm sorry.
No, it's another room.
Okay.
But you can't go outside.
Okay.
And then, when I picked him up to put him down, like, now that I think about it, I was a little aggressive. But I didn't mean to hurt him or anything. Like, I didn't mean to slam him or hurt your kid or anything. I was just trying to, like, put him there and get him to stay. And I didn't mean to, like, do anything. And then I comforted him and everything because I felt bad because I didn't realize that I did it, like, hard or anything. So I didn't mean to.
And how old are you, sweetie?
21.
21. Okay. So, is the older lady there, is she like the admin or the owner? Okay.
She's not the owner, but she's, like, the boss. So.
Okay. My wife works in daycare, so I think they call them like the admin or something like that. Okay. So, we do have some questions for you, but obviously, before we ask those questions, we have to read you something to protect you as a person, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can will be held against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. At any time in this process, you have the right to have an attorney with you while questioning. Also, at any time in this process, you have the right to refuse questioning at any time. Do you understand your rights? Okay, having those in mind, do you still wish to speak with us?
Yeah.
Okay, so obviously from the video that we saw, it appeared at first that you were trying to comfort one child to get it to sleep.
Yeah.
Okay. At that point, you saw her child out there standing up on the chair. And just kind of run me through, like, what happened after that.
I, like, got up, walked over, like, went over the gate, seen him, picked him up, started walking over, and then, like, when I went to put him down, I put him down kind of hard, and then he, like, rolled over, so I got on my knees, and I started, like, giving him hugs and kisses, and, like, and then he went to bed. Like, a little bit later, he went to sleep.
And where did you grab him at?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
No, I really don't.
Okay, and what's that kid's name?
Boston.
Boston?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't remember, like, what's your guys' procedure on, like, if a kid doesn't listen?
Like, what do you mean?
So, in that instance, it looked like the kid was standing up on the chair, which is a no-no because he could get hurt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your guys' procedure on trying to handle that?
Get him down.
Get them down?
Yeah.
Is there any specific way you're supposed to get them down?
Just pick him up, put him down.
Pick them up and put them down? Okay. At any point in time, do you recall grabbing the arms, head, neck area, torso?
I didn't grab his neck.
You didn't grab his neck? Okay. Would you say that you grabbed him on his arms?
I think so. I don't remember right now. Like, I'm really, like...
Yeah, I get that. I get that. And then you said after that, now did he cry or anything like that?
Yeah, he cried for a little bit, but Boston gets upset when he gets redirected a lot. So then I just sat there and I patted him and I gave him kisses and I rubbed his hair and stuff and then he was fine.
Okay. Okay. And then what happened after that? Did you immediately notify somebody or?
No. When someone, so like I was alone.
Yeah.
And then when someone came back in, someone when they walked in, I was like, hey, Boston, like I think he has a mark on his lip from getting on the cot. And they're like, okay, I don't think it's that big of a deal. And I was like, okay. And then when he woke up, I wasn't in there. Someone else was. And she said that his lip was red and had a bump, but she thought that him licking it and biting it was also adding to it.
Okay. So who first approached you about this incident?
Probably Tara, the boss.
The boss?
Yeah.
Okay. Was she kind of just going over the footage, saw what had happened, and then...
I didn't see the footage right now.
Okay, you haven't seen the footage?
No.
Okay. All right.
I really didn't mean to hurt him.
I know.
I never would have hurt him.
I know. Where do you currently live at?
I'm in Lucasville.
Lucasville? Alright, so what we're going to do for the meantime is you are going to be detained, okay? You're not under arrest, but you are detained, okay? So, are you pregnant by any means? Nothing like that. Any shoulder injuries, anything like that? Okay, so go ahead and turn around for us to transpond your back. Look like you're praying. It's a lot more comfortable.
Like I'm what?
Look like you're praying. It's a lot more comfortable.
There you go.
Sorry.
You're good.
So it's going to be that forward left cruiser, okay? Operate this now.
Can you push it down? Yeah, push it down. Oh, sorry.
And then be on the passenger side with a lot more room, okay?
Yep.
Can you turn the heat off?
Yeah.
And he definitely has a bruised eye.
Yeah, we're gonna take pictures. So
Just make sure I wasn't
the
the one we saw.
DTEC's seen the video, and she is going to be arrested for child endangerment. Okay, it's a subsection under child endangerment, so she is going to be jail tonight. All I need from you is I need his name and date of birth, and it's the same address as yours, correct?
Yeah.
So our detective is,
What did she say? Did she try to like justify what she did?
Not really.
Not really. She don't care.
No, she just stated that she didn't think it was that hard, but after she done it, she felt bad. I don't know, but she's under
In the
arrest.
video, you saw she hit him 3 times.
Yeah, but she's going to be charged. She's going to be booked inside county jail. What is his date of birth? Apparently, your ex or the father kid has been calling saying he's coming down or whatever.
He's trying to. He's saying I beat on him.
But you have a protection order against him.
Yeah,
correct?
but it's being dropped on Monday.
Okay.
But it's fine that he comes down here. I don't think he's gonna hurt me. But he's hurting my feelings because he's saying he's sorry. That door's scaring me.
And he's trying to demand us to give the kids some.
I've never put
no.
my hands on that little
No.
boy ever.
No.
If I reacted that way, why?
That's a civil issue. We don't dispute child custody.
His dad was calling you guys. What was he saying? He was saying that I let it happen. If I would have known, I would have known.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Boston. Hey, bud. Hey, bud.
Here's what I got. Here's a picture.
Yeah, and she busted his lip. See? You know when you gotta. I have a picture of it if you want it. It's a good picture too.
Let me see.
Here.
Hang on, Liam. Put it up. Because that's when I called and I was like, what happened to my child? And then I realized he had a
Is that
black eye.
time stamped?
It literally happened. I took this at,
2:20.
2:23.
Okay,
So
gotcha.
I can just send it to you.
Yeah, email.
Okay, email.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I think I have to go to my actual Gmail.
Thank you.
I'll just let you
Perfect
get them,
picture.
'cause I don't know how to do any of that. But what was his dad saying? His dad saying he can take him because I guess I didn't know about it,
can.
but I had a gut feeling. That's why I said let me watch the
It's
whole
the
entire
second
video. Liam, please go sit down. And now he's saying that I put my hands on Boston. I never pull my hand on the Bible. I've never put my hands on this kid ever.
Yeah, send me that, will you? But I got some pictures. So we got your statement. We got her statement.
This one.
Sit down.
So how did?
Sit down. Sit down.
So when you picked him up, you noticed something, and
I
then
was driving off. I told Tara. She said he's sleepy, he's angry, and he's ready for a nap. And I was like, okay, get in the car. I said, hey, Bobby, and I turned around, and at first I glanced. I said, what the? I look again. His whole face busted. First thing I do, I was mother's call, and I'm like, hey, I'm just phased, and she said, oh, he fell. I was like, okay, maybe it's fall because I've never had issues. And then I started getting a gut feeling. Liam, can you give me a second? Hang on. And you need to give me a second. This now. So I come here because Max was like, no, you need to go there and get the video. I want to call a call. So I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna make this big deal for nothing. But he was right all along. So I came here, watched the video.
And that girl said, no, he fell and I walked. Can you give me a second? Please go sit down. And give me a second. And I watched the video and she said at 1:30, I went over there and kissed him. 1:30, she didn't move. So then me and the other girl got to it because she was sitting there on his phone and he fell. And I said, okay, so you hurt my child. And she didn't follow accountability. She's like, yes, I was on my phone the whole entire time. I said, well, you shouldn't be working here. As I should have, because you're not watching my child. I said, you need to get a different job. And then I was like, let me watch that video more. And Terry's like, yeah, we need to, because something's not adding up. Liam, if I have to tell you again, and I watched the whole video. We're watching. He's on a chair for maybe 10 minutes straight, standing on a chair by himself. That was when that girl got up and attacked my baby.
Yep.
And me and Tara both ran in there. I was going to, as a mother, but I stopped myself because I was like, you know what? There's a whole bunch of other babies. I told her, I said, go outside. Because obviously any mother's going to spend a couple days in jail with their baby. And the judge would be like, hell yeah, like, yeah, you protected your baby. But then I knew if I go to jail, who's going to have my kids?
Absolutely.
So, and then I didn't even know she hit him that many times until you just watched it with me. So that was a raw reaction of us both.
Did she fill that out?
Yeah. She's been advised.
She's under arrest. Okay. All right.
Well, we can't necessarily release that information.
There you go.
But, however, it's public record, so you can look up on the court documents, or you'll find it later on Breasted.
Yeah, I was okay.
Yeah, and you'll probably get something in the mail where your child's a victim. So.
And you'll have a court case, basically.
Yeah, you'll have.
So you'll have to go and attend that, and then also have all of her information and stuff like that before you. Okay.
Okay.
So
she's being arrested.
Yes, she's going to jail.
Okay. Am I able to call Matt so you guys talk to him real quick and tell him so he can chill out?
Is that the dad?
Yeah.
Okay. Is the TPO still?
Till Monday.
Okay. Technically, any conversation that you guys have, even if you were to have it in front of us, we have to do a report, and he would go to jail. He's not even.
Well, it's on the protection app.
But his visitation's been suspended. He's not even supposed to have contact with you. That's what's coming back on our side, because we had to run him where he was coming down here. So we ran him through our system. His visitation's been suspended and it's a TPO. So by court order, we have to act on that if he has a couple complications. So I would advise wait until Monday to contact him.
Well, he's coming down here, so what do I do? I don't think he's going to hurt me. Like, it's
Technically, if he comes down and he's in violation of it, I mean, he will go to jail.
Okay. So can I just text him on the app close app, which is the court order app, and just tell him, hey, don't come down here?
I don't know anything about the court order app.
It's called app close. It's where we text him. There's a VPO.
Okay.
Like I can call him on it and stuff. Like we're allowed to call him on there because it's all monitored.
So it's all monitored?
Oh yeah, the judge sees everything. So that's why I was saying if I call him on there, can you tell him that? Because technically it's allowed because it's on that app. The judge sees all our messages.
You could do that. I don't know. I would have to speak with my supervisor in order to.
Okay, I just don't want him getting arrested for trying to, protect his child.
Right. I mean, you could do that at a later time if that's what you guys do to the court. I just don't know what happens in our presence. So.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm trying to get him in trouble. I understand. He's the parent.
Yeah, he's just being overprotective.
Yeah, we're going off of what we get from the national database. So, and that's what we have to go off of.
Okay.
The 21-year-old suspect was charged with child endangerment and was initially released from the Scioto County Jail following her arrest. At a later court appearance, a judge set bond at $2,500, which court records show was posted in cash. She is no longer in custody and is scheduled to return to court for additional proceedings as the investigation continues. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.